Hi, my name is Matt Adams. I'm a product line manager at Viavi Solutions, and I'm here talking to you today from the show floor of OFC 2026. And one of the biggest dominant topics on the show floor today is how are we going to scale manufacturing to meet the challenge of the day? And for Viavi, our role in the scaling of manufacturing is really manufacturing test. And core to that at the photonic level is the MAP-300, our award-winning test and measurement platform for photonic manufacturers. Whether you are manufacturing connectors, whether you're manufacturing DR optics, LR optics, ZR optics, or CPO, probably the hottest topic on the floor today, the photonic integration, the modularity of the MAP-300 has proven to be a core differentiator for our solution in this space. But beyond that, it's really about throughput and density, the ability to fit in the smallest space possible, the highest volume of manufacturing tests possible, and that's where the MAP-300 really excels as a market leader. For more information on how we can help you scale your manufacturing test, please contact us at viavisolutions.com or reach out to a local sales representative.